Virtual Surveyor releases new Photogrammetry app, completing drone survey workflow. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby, software company Virtual Surveyor has updated the newest version of its smart drone surveying software to include drone photogrammetry functionality. Photos are processed through the new Terrain Creator app to generate survey-grade terrains to be transferred to the Virtual Surveyor workspace to conduct survey work. Virtual Surveyor software is now 2 desktop apps and 1 subscription package that create a seamless end-to-end drone survey workflow to save time and money, said Virtual Surveyor CEO Tom Optiate. Terrain Creator removes complexity from the drone photogrammetry process, offering a visual and intuitive application to produce an orthomosaic and digital surface model (DSM) from drone photos. Virtual Surveyor software was designed to link drone photogrammetric processing applications and engineering design packages. Prior to this release, users were required to use third-party software to create elevation models and an orthomosaic to be worked on with the Virtual Surveyor toolset to obtain the necessary 3D topographic information. Drone surveyors no longer have to spend money on a third-party photogrammetry package to convert their drone photos into an orthomosaic and DSMs, said Optiate. It just comes with our package, and the fully integrated workflow eliminates the time spent porting photogrammetry products from another package into Virtual Surveyor. In the Virtual Surveyor desktop app, users can leverage its toolsets to create CAD models, cut and fill maps and calculations, or calculate volume reports. Those already subscribers to Virtual Surveyor Ridge and Peak editions will receive an automatic update to version 9.0 with Terrain Creator. Additionally, a flexible licensing setup for subscribing organizations will enable 2 users to access the Terrain Creator and Virtual Surveyor applications at the same time on 2 different computers. Virtual Surveyor will showcase its new release at Energio 2023, Hall 1.2, Stand D1030, on October 10-12 in Berlin, Germany, as well as other trade fairs this autumn.